In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to Google Forms. We're going to walk through, step by step, how to control who can open your form, who can respond, and how to share it properly, whether you're working with classmates, colleagues, or the public. By the end, you'll know exactly which settings to use for your situation so people don't run into error messages when they try to fill it out. First, open your Google form. You can do this by going to Google Drive, finding your form, and double-clicking it, or by going to the form's homepage and selecting it from your recent files. Once the form is open, you'll see the editing view where you can change questions and settings. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the settings icon. This is usually shaped like a small gear. Clicking this opens a window with several tabs that control how your form behaves, including who has access. Inside the settings window, find the section related to responses and access. One key control you'll usually see is an option that limits responses to people within your organization or domain, or to users who are signed into a specific type of account. If this is turned on, only people logged into that particular account type will be able to open and submit the form. If you want to share your form with anyone, even people outside your school or company, you'll need to turn that restriction off. Uncheck the box that says something like, "Restrict to users in your organization," or "Require sign-in," depending on what's shown. Keep in mind that turning this off means anyone with the link can respond, so avoid collecting sensitive personal information unless you really need to. Next, confirm how you want people to access the form. If you want them to sign in so you can track who responded, keep the setting that collects email addresses enabled. If you prefer completely anonymous responses, you can disable automatic email collection. Just remember that without email collection, it's harder to know who submitted what. Once your access settings look right, click Save to apply them. Now you're ready to share the form. Click the Send button at the top right. Here you can copy the link, shorten it if you like, and share it via email, chat, or your learning platform. Anyone who receives this link will have the level of access you just set. That's all you need to do to give access to your Google form and make sure the right people can respond.